the people here want to see levelling up benefits. Easier to talk about than to deliver. Is this something Labour can genuinely do?
Yes, we can, but you've got to be serious about what levelling up is. It isn't little pots of cash handed out for leisure centres and car parks, things that are cooked up in Whitehall by people hundreds of miles away who've never set foot in the communities where we're somehow supposed to be grateful for these small gifts back. And it isn't the contrick of taking millions of pounds away from councils and then handing a small amount back and telling people that they should applaud the government for doing so. What it is a long-term plan to get good jobs back into communities across the country again. I represent Wigan. It's a former mining town, and we are immensely proud of the contribution that we make to the world. And last time I was here in Stoke, I was left in absolutely no doubt that you feel the same about the ceramics industry and have seen far too many jobs offshored in recent years. If we want to repair our high streets, if we want to reboot our economies, we've got to get money back into people's pockets, and that means good jobs in every part of the country. And for me, this is just a basic question of respect. Just as it's disrespectful to tour the country handing out little pots of cash for things we never asked for and we wouldn't have spent it on either, denying our local leaders the chance to make those decisions with their communities, just as it's disrespectful to do that, it's also disrespectful to write off the contribution that we've got to make to our national economy in every part of the country. You won't find many people in Wigan who want to reopen the coal mines and want that future for their kids, but we're proud of that contribution. And what we want now is the investment to get the clean energy jobs that rely on the same engineering skills that we've still got in abundance in my town in order to power us through the future and help us make that contribution again. So for us, levelling up is about respect for the priorities that people have, devolving powers to local leaders to be able to have control over their own local economies and the way that their own money is spent. It's your money, not ours.